Jai Jagannath. Today we are in Birmingham celebrating Rath Yatra 2026. Hello friends. I'm Wanderer Cheyenne and today I'm in Birmingham. It's a nice weather out here. And today is Rath Yatra Festival 2026. Every year, Rath Yatra happens, and it happens at a very large scale in Birmingham as well. This video I'm making in English so as to reach as maximum audience as possible because I want to spread this festive mood into as many people as possible. Today, I'm trying to reach as much audience as possible, and I will be asking for a number of likes, subscription from you all. I hope you will be enjoying this video. Electrifying environment out here, as every year it does. People from everywhere, every religion, it seems that they have come here to witness this divine Rath Yatra of Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
So the Rath has taken its original form now and it's big. And it will start its divine journey through this route here, and everybody is so much excited.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
The excitement among people is tremendously electrifying. Everybody is just enjoying the Hare Krishna vibe here. Jai! Jai! We all know the divinity of this Rath Yatra, and everybody here is trying to just grasp the rope for some milliseconds of time so that they can take the blessings, they can get the blessings of Sri Jagannath, Sri Balbhadra and Subhadra. I'm just below this huge Rath. See the wheel here, it's over my size, so everybody is experiencing the divinity here. Do let me know in comments, how are you feeling here? How are you feeling about the environment, about the people's involvement here? Then we have the smaller Rath for the toddlers, and it's looking amazing. as we progress in the day, the crowd seems to be increasing exponentially. So here we are, the cool shades of the city center beneath the trees, but weather is fine and the ruts just there. So you can just see that what is happening, what the people are doing around me, and that is the spirit of Rath Yatra. So I think the spirit has heightened more than the last year what I have seen, and it is lifting the spirit of me and well as everybody here. I think. I hope that this vibe is traveling to you guys as well. So the Rath Yatra part will be coming to an end here, and at this point the Rath Yatra part will be ending and the Rath is arriving here and everybody is super excited about it. So next phase we will go to the library. The people are traveling towards library because the next part of the program is there, and these are the two cars in which Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra will travel towards library mandir that has been set up. So this is the place. I am at the library, and here the second phase of this festive part takes place. So here is the mandap that has been set up for Lord Jagannath, his brother Balram and Subhadra to come and sit, and everybody to perform puja. And we have the fruit stalls, the prasad counters here. This is the library, and let's see how it is being set up. So already in the vibe, and I'm going towards the prasad line now. My family will already be there, so I was just doing this one to be in the vibe of Lord Jagannath.
So we are all in line to collect the prasad of Lord Jagannath, the blessing actually in the form of food. It gives us tremendous bliss when we have this.
So I finished my prasad and everything is very well organized here. There are separate places to take the used plates as well, so that the waste management can also be done. The stalls are there. And now the most exciting part. This is Rath Yatra Birmingham 2026. You are watching it with Wanderer Cheyenne. Discover the world with me. Jagannath Dev, Balram and Subhadra have arrived in the cars. They have arrived at this point via the cars because the Raths can enter here due to restrictions. And now they will be taken and placed in the mandaps.
A wonderful welcome to all the three Devtas. Lord Balbhadra, followed by Devi Subhadra, and then Lord Jagannath and Sri Prabhupada.
Three brothers and sisters, Jagannath, Subhadra and Balbhadra, have been placed in their mandaps from the car. And now the puja here begins, the festivities here begins, the second phase begins. Everybody is having their prasad there, and all others are just engulfed into the divinity of this festival, the Rath Yatra 2026, Birmingham. Overall, ISKCON here has created a very good environment, a divine environment. So every year I see this, I come here, I try to be part of this festival, and yeah, every time I feel more than happy than the time before, and I'm not more than happier than any of the days now. So I'm really feeling very happy, very blessed that I have finally managed to be part of this program. And I hope that you all seeing this video, also feeling the same.
In the form of a tortoise, you come as Kurma to carry the Mandara mountain on your gigantic back as a pivot for churning the ocean of milk.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Put your comments in, share this video, and spread the vibe of Hare Krishna, Jagannath to everybody.